So you can see. Yeah? We're good? So, almost from the center of an eyebrow up, keep it below, almost on the curvature of the head. That's what I would prefer. I won't go too high because then there's going to be a lot of color visible here. So I would prefer it to be somewhere on the curvature or below that. Choice is yours. Smaller the section, lesser the color would be. Bigger the section, brighter the color would look like. Yeah? So, to start with, as we're gonna, let me just neaten down this. It's very, very important when you work. The key is you should be able to see a section neatly. Yeah? Color. Wear your gloves. I'm not working with color, I'm working with conditioner. However, I'm just gonna wear my gloves on. So I'm going to start with a dark color on the root. So that's to be a 1/2 inch application of dark color. First application, and then we're going to apply the lighter color on midlands and ends. So let's suppose I'm going to do my application. So when you apply, so much color goes onto the root first. So cover the line, hairline, lift it up, and finish that. I would prefer to start from the top because it's easier. I can keep flipping my section onto the other side of the head. So again, color only to the root. So guys, the color that you should be applying on the root should be the darker color. Same color as your global color. Yeah? So let's suppose I'm using a global color of 5-68, which is a level 5 chocolate red. I would use a 5-68 on the roots, and then I'm going to work with my pre-liner on the ends. There's a question. Doing the roots necessary in case? Okay, yeah, it's important that if you're doing the roots, because I'm going to work with back-to-back foiling, so there won't be an option for me to go back and touch the root. But if you're working individual foils, then you can always do the roots later. But I've always found if I'm working with the panels, it's good if you go with back-to-back foils. You save a lot of time, plus it's effective, but just you need to make sure that your foils are thin enough, not very thick, so that the color gets lightened better. Which color to be used? So right now, for an actual look, I've used 5-68 for the global. That's the global color. Let's suppose if she has a global color, that's 5-68 all over. So I'll be working with 5-68 onto the root area. Pick it up. Yeah, so now we're done with the root. Put it down. So first step has to be the color application onto the root. Now we're going to go back, work section by section. So I'm going to take the whole thing. There's one thing keeps running away. It looks like that clip has a leg. Okay, to start with, yeah, foil at the bottom to secure it. So as we always do, fold a bit and put some product on it. Put some product on it so that it holds the foil better. So you don't have to actually catch the foil. You're free to work. And when you're going closer to the root, please make sure that you need to work with a vertical brush so that you smudge the product into it. Emulsify it better. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to extend my foil because I don't want to fold it up. So what you all can do is take another piece of foil place it right underneath, yeah, and run your color onto the hair nicely. Yeah, you all can do that. It's easy, it's not difficult. So that's my first section that's done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put two sections back to back, and then I'll place another foil on it. So that's my next section. Pick it up, apply slightly away from the roots, then you go closer to the root, emulsify the product to the midlands and all the way to the roots. Yeah, any questions? Oh, perfect, yes. I was going into the toning part once I was done with the foiling. So actual technique is working with a pre-lightener on this. Working with a pre-lightener, lighten it to a level 9 and then tone it down with 9.5-1. That's what we recommend, because you don't want any compromise on lifting. So that's almost like back-to-back foiling. Yeah. My next panel. Guys, important thing ये है कि आपका section पतला होना चाहिए. You can see that how fine my sections are. It's very, very, very important that your sections have to be super thin and fine. Not only to ensure that the lifting happens, it also ensures that there is no uneven patchy result. So your application is pretty much clean. So when you apply, please make sure you apply it well. So I'm just going to drag it because not too much of hair towards the length. ज़्यादा बाल नहीं है ends में. So I'm going to just continue working with the same foil that I had on the end. Yeah. Let's put another foil, probably to the lens. Yeah. Okay, next section. So please do not try to do the entire application in one foil, because as you're going higher, you're going to be going away from the root, right? So to stay or to keep the foil closer to the root, it's important if you can keep foils in between every section, or if not, at least every alternative section. Okay, so this is basically a pre-lightener application that I'm demonstrating right now. So this is the lightening part that we'll be doing it. I'm making it sure that after every, you can see that my next section, I'm closer to the root. Yeah, so it's very, very important that you should be placing foils in between every one or two section that you're working with. Guys, work with thin, fine sections. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि fine sections लेने में time ज़्यादा जाएगा, but it's actually a myth. If you work with bigger sections, you spend a lot of time in emulsifying the product. It's very difficult. काफ़ी मुश्किल हो जाता है अगर आप मोटे sections के साथ काम करेंगे. So it's very important that you work with thinner sections. Your application is going to be super fast. Okay, so as I said, this technique is called color placement. So you're actually placing the color. Okay. Yeah. Few more sections and we'll be done with the panel. Any questions that I can take? Oh, Hitesh is handling it. Perfect. Thank you very much, Hitesh. I'm sure those who don't know Hitesh is our regional manager for West. So he takes care of the Mumbai Academy for us. So he'll also be helping me with the technical questions. Root पे 20 volume, yeah. If I'm doing a global application, yes, root पे 20 जाएगा. और वही developer जो आपने root पे पहले use किया है. Use the same developer as what you done with. 1 second, there was a problem with my tripod. Oof, these technical things. Okay, foil paper. Sorry about that. Yeah, we'll try and save the video today. But as we always say, you can see this video on Schwarzkopf IN page for the next 24 hours. It will be there in the story option as a live video. What technique color? Okay, so here the technique is called color placement, and I am working with pre-lightener, not at the moment because now it's conditioner, but I am showing you actually a pre-lightener application. When you go back to back, when do you do back to back? Okay, so if I'm working with a big block section, I prefer working back to back. I would not fold foil because that takes a lot of time. But in case if you're lightening the hair to a really light level, yeah, say for example, the base is on a level 3 and you're taking up to level 9, I would recommend you to fold the foils. Because when you lock the foils, the heat is generated better, heat अच्छा generate होता है और आपको lifting time सही मिलता है. You get a better lifting with that. Yeah, so in that case you can go ahead with that, but if the base is not that dark, then you can actually go with back-to-back foiling. Okay, so smudge it.